Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how you can create your ebook using Canva. If you have been wanting to create an ebook and you don't know how to go about it, perhaps you don't know how to start, you don't know how to do it. Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you the simple step on how you can create your ebook using Canva. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive straight into it. So what you want to do first is log into your browser. I prefer using Chrome browser on my laptop. Log into your browser and then you search canva.com. This is it. You can see my arrow. All right. And then it brings you, this is the first website you're going to see, canva.com. You click in. Load in. Good. Once it brings you here, what you want to do first is sign up. If you haven't signed up already, you can sign up using your email or using your Facebook. All right. So what I'm going to do is log in to my Canva account. And here it will bring you to the Canva dashboard. All right. Once you're here, you type on this search button. What you're going to type in here is ebook. Once you type in the ebook, it is going to bring out different templates for you to use. So one thing you must know that Canva has a pro version, but as a beginner, it is advisable for you to use the free one for a start. All right. There are so many free templates here, as you can see. So you're just going to pick one to use. All right. So let me just pick one from here. Let me just pick this one. It is free. All right. So one thing you must know is that while creating your ebook, you must have write out your content. You either use Google Doc or you Microsoft Word, or if you don't have access to all of that, you can just write it in a notebook. Okay, so you don't get confused while writing your ebook. You rather write out all your content, all your copies, everything you'll be needing to write in the ebook. Write them down out. Okay, when you write it out, you can. So it's gonna be easy for you with that. So this is the template we selected. So what we want to do here is this particular one right here. We're gonna design it. It's gonna be our ebook cover. All right. The first one is always an ebook cover, so you should know what ebook cover is. So I'm just gonna give a quick, simple design to this one, depending on what you want to write about. So I'm just gonna be writing about, I don't know. So let's just say affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. All right. So let's just say this is the topic of the ebook I'm about to write. All right. So we're just going to do a quick design to the cover. So I'm going to duplicate this so I can get the same font. Duplicate it, bring it down, then edit again. Here I'm going to write A to Z. All right. You see what I'm doing? So I'm going to bring it down. So I might want to change this. So for this cover, you might want to change the color if you want. All right. When you click this, you come to color. You can change the color to anything you want. Here you go. You can change it to black. Sorry. Let me delete this. I don't really need all that. Good. All right. So if I want to change the color, you come here. Are you seeing my arrow? You might want to change it to black, whatever color you like. So this is it. You can change it. Wait, let's look for a nice color. I think I like this one. So for this one, we're going to delete it. We don't need it. So this is going to be our ebook cover. So here you want to just put in your own name by your name. So I'm just going to write Tina here. All right. So this is our ebook cover. So this is going to be the first cover. So to add page, you see this add page here. You can see my cursor. This is where you're going to click to add your page. All right. And then this, if you're adding your page, I prefer you make it white. The ebook cover is the one that needs the coloring, okay? But when you come inside the page, I prefer you make it white, and then your text is gonna be black. All right. Now let's write on this. You come here and click on text. So on this second page, this is how you're gonna keep creating your page. All right. So let's bring in this one. So on this second slide, you might want to write your table of content. All right. Table of content. All right. So let's bring it up here. So I'm going to duplicate this one again. I just want to get the same font. I don't want to keep searching for fonts here and there. So that's why I basically duplicate them. So here you come, you say one, link it here, and then you write whatever topic you want to put on the first page. Okay, let me duplicate to bring it down. See what I'm doing? To here. Can you see what I'm doing? So that's how you're going to do it, depending on how many you want to write. 3. So that's just how you're going to do it. So let me just make it 5. 4. Bring it down. Good. So once you're done, your table of content, you just write whatever you want to write. For example, what is affiliate marketing, how you can earn money from affiliate marketing, blah 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 blah. Once you write that out, then you come down here again to add page. Then this is how you keep adding your, after adding page, you write whatever you want to write. If you want to insert picture or any element, you come here, just type whatever picture you want to insert. For example, I don't know, so let me just say, okay, let me just say ebook to bring out some pictures for you depending on what you really want. Okay, can you see this one is free? Some of them are not free, so all you do is pick out the free one. So if you want to add image, this is how you add image. You add your text. If you want only text, fine, you come here, you add your text, write whatever you want to write. Okay, and then sorry, there you go. And then text font, if you want to change the font, here is the font, you can change them. All right, just play around with all of this. You can see the font is changed. You want to increase the size of your text, here you go, you can increase from here. You can as well decrease from here. You want to check the color of your text, you want to use color. Here are different colors for you to use. All right, this is just how you're going to write your ebook, just very easy. So let me just make it 5. All right, let me just make it a 5 copy. So we have 2 already, right? 3, 4, 5. I'm not writing anything. I just want to make it quick. Okay, so I will explain to you. But if you want to write your ebook, you must have written them down so you know what you're doing. You're writing. Then at the last page is very, very important. Let me say this is my last page. Okay, so you want to simply appreciate them. I mean, your last page, you want to simply appreciate them, okay, for reading through. And then you can as well put down your name. You can write something like, thanks for reading through, add your name under, or just find a way around it to end your ebook nicely, okay? Because it's always important for an ebook to end nicely. And make sure you always attach your name. You can as well attach your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, and so on and so forth. You can attach it to the last page of your ebook. All right. So you want to now download our ebook. What you do here is click this download button. All right. Once you click the download button, you come here to this PNG. You are not going to download as PNG. All right. So you're going to be downloading it as PDF standard. All right. This is it. PDF standard. All 6 pages. Can you see that? It's actually 6 pages, not 5. Okay. You download all 6 pages. Yeah. And then you click download. All right. You see, it's downloading. So once it's done, we're going to see what we've done. Okay, I think it's done. Let's see. Okay, so what you want to do again is come back to this first page, because you're actually going to need this first page to create your ebook mockup cover. All right, the cover in which you're going to use to display, to advertise, to get people to read your ebook is this cover. So you're going to download it like this, just this one, so you can create your ebook mockup cover with it. And if you want to create your ebook mockup cover, you can use dia.com. That is diy.com. It's free. You go to their website, then you can create your ebook mockup cover from there. So you download this particular one, not PDF standard this time. You download that PNG high quality. Yes. All right. All 6 pages, not all 6 pages this time around. Just this first page. You click on this first page only. All right. Done. First page only. And then you download. Our download is complete. Let's see what we've done. I think the network is a bit bad today. Very good. See what we've done. Can you see this? Is that ebook has been downloaded and stored to your laptop. All right. See what we've done? These are our ebooks. All right. So let me quickly show you one more thing. Just take you through how you can quickly create your ebook mockup cover. This is where you're going to type DIY. Yeah. DIY book cover. See that? Click on this. And this is their site, this first one, diybookcovers.com. Click on it. Okay, very good. So here you go. Step 1. So this is what you want to do. This is the step one. Select a template. Okay, so we're gonna select our template. Just select one. So let me quickly select this one without wasting much of our time. Right. After selecting that one, then we're gonna click on next. Step two, upload the ebook cover, the one we created. So we're going to upload it. Click on browser. Okay, you see what I'm doing? Click on browser. Okay, this is the one we just created. Okay, upload. Let's see. Okay, that's uploaded. Good, good, very good. That's uploaded. Then click on next. So what you're going to do here is you come here and save as PNG as well. Save as PNG. You can see that. You might also want to save it as what is it called? JPG. I think this is for in case you want to remove the background or so. So let's see what we've done, guys. Let's see what we've done. Great. See our ebook. Amazing, right? So you come here, let's check on this one. Same thing. See, this is how to create your ebook cover, and this is what you're going to use to drive traffic to get people to read your ebook. If you want to sell it, this is just how to create your ebook cover to get people to buy and read your ebook. All right. So there's one more thing I want to show you. It's not the only step. There's another step I want you to see. Let's go back and back again. So here we are going to click on this instead of single. I want to click on this composition. Good. So what I want to do, I want to click on this one. Let's use this one. Good. And then we go to next. And then our this what we created is already here. So we go to next, and then we download again, just like we did the other time. There you go. So, as you can see, here it's downloading. So let's see what we've done. See that? Amazing, right? Amazing. This is just how to create your ebook and your ebook cover. Just as simple as that. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I'm going to see you on the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video and if you have got value, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you. See you some other time. Bye.